I want to talk about the UI theme, the interface. We have light and dark mode, and by default it is in dark. I'm going to switch it to light. There's a reason. I have astigmatism, and if you don't know what that is, more than 10% of people have this. It's to do with the shape of your eye and how you bend light, and I find it really difficult to see text on a dark background. It looks blurry to me. And that's why the light option works better for me. So I know by default it is dark. I know also the majority of people like dark. But unfortunately, I will switch to light. Here, Bricks has done something very strange. They've put all of these settings that I'm so used to and many other builders are right within the builder. They've put it in the settings in Bricks in the WordPress backend. I wish those functions were here. That means I have to go to the dashboard. We've just changed the B icon up here, the logo, to go to dashboard. So I'll simply click on it, go to Bricks and settings. This is the interface theme. So that will be under builder, select that, and builder mode. Set to dark, we choose light. There's a custom option, ignore that for now. With light setup, go to the bottom, save settings, and I'll just go again to the front end and click on edit with Bricks. And it will load the light interface for me. Having said this, I do think the dark version works very well in Bricks because everything is a little bit larger here. In other builders that I've been playing around with, the text gets really tiny and then it gets obscured in that dark background. But I actually think that Bricks does a pretty good job in the dark interface, and then the light one works for me very well. We are now within the builder. Let's have a look at what's going on here.